everyone. Welcome to Vencru. Vencru is an invoicing, inventory management, and accounting software for businesses. Today, I will show you how to run a stock analysis. First, select inventory. You can collapse the extra tab here to make your view wider. Select Run Stock Analysis. You can run a query to show all your stock, to show items less than a specified number, and to show items that would expire at a given date. Let's start with items less than a particular number, 15. Then click Run Query. I can see that I have 3 products that are less than 15 and I know to restock them. Let's try one to show items that would expire at a given date. The date is editable. Let me try the 11th. Click Run Query. I see that my granola would have expired by this date. I can download my query results clicking on the Download PDF button. Here, my query has been downloaded. And that is how to run a query on Vencru.